Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday and we're fixing to go out. We're gonna pick up a barbecue grill today. We're gonna grill this evening for dinner. And i-fix ko lang yung aming couch kasi so it's back to where it's supposed to be. There you go. Alright. Didilig muna ako saglit. Thank you.
A kitty cat.
What you doing?
You need more?
Yeah, please. Thank you. Yeah, we're gonna put stick in there. Can we turn off the light?
Yeah.
We can save that for tonight. Thank you. And the other one too.
This one?
Yeah, all of them.
That's rice pumpkin.
Thank you, babe. That's it. Actually, meron kaming line ng tubig dito kasi hindi ko pa siya na-install para dito sa mga bagong pots. So, probably whenever get time. Thank you, Hannah Bear. Alright, let's go inside now. Come on. Yan guys, dito kami sa Home Depot. So what we choose again last time?
I like this one. It's more. It's a nice.
This one,
Yeah, I
right?
like that one. Because, Heather, you be careful. So this one has the different grades. And then, yeah, then it has, that's the one where you put the wood in. The wood in the water, I think, to make it smoke.
Yeah. Alright guys, we have our grill at the back. So yan guys, this is the grill that we got earlier. Yan. Nilagyan na ni Mr. ng season. He seasoned it with the coconut oil. So yan. We're gonna grill burger and sausage for dinner. Ito yung pumpkin yesterday na inopen namin. Yan. So, gagawin ko siyang flour base ngayon. So, yan. Lalagyan ko muna siya ng flour food. We're ready to grill. So this is the burger patty.
Yeah. And out of all of them, these are so good.
Yeah.
They're seasoned just perfect. And if you follow the directions, they come out perfect.
Okay guys, yan yung aming bun. So we're gonna use the blended cheese double cheddar.
Yeah. It looks good. I have to get a light, an overhead light.
Nag-air fry ako ng onion rings too. So, yan na yung ating burger, guys. Yan. And then, meron tayong sausage. So yan guys, luto na lahat. Ready na ang dinner. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!